See, the crux of the report is we have inspected and the inspection report is produced on record. We have pointed out the structures which are existing on the Anjuna beach area, and we have pointed out some of the constructions and the status thereof. Now the situation is the High Court has kept this matter for tomorrow for the Panchayat to tell the court as to what action they can take, more particularly in relation to commercial activities which will be carried out in these constructions. So what is the method and modus by which the Panchayat will take action? That is what is to be reported to the court tomorrow. Insofar as CRZ authority is concerned, presently the CRZ authority's term has come to an end. Therefore, at this stage, it may not be possible for that authority which doesn't exist to take any action. Therefore, the High Court has kept the matter tomorrow for the Panchayat to tell the court as to what action they are taking.
Approximately how many illegal construction have been found?
See, it is not stated in those inspection reports as to how many structures are illegal and how many are legal. It gives a status insofar as existence of these structures on the beach, and that will have to be verified based on the records. So therefore, basically, I think the replies will have to be called from these people, and that will disclose as to what is the legalities or illegalities insofar as these structures are concerned, and accordingly action will have to be taken.
Means it is illegal or not, it is yet to be verified.
It will be verified based on the documents which are there on record or the documents which may be produced by the parties. So therefore, as of now, it is difficult to tell exactly how many are illegal and how many are legal. But some prima facie material that is there based on inspection to show that these structures are existing, what is the nature of this structure. Then they have taken out photographs of these structures. They have pointed out which are the survey numbers, and that will have to be now analyzed by the authorities.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.